Due to insufficient use of wood fuels and increasing population levels, we have to move for alternative fuel. The burning of wood fuels contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and indoor air pollution. Health risks associated with indoor air pollution have been cited as one of the 10 major threats to health globally. Each day, the operator of the biogas system nourishes the bacteria inside the digester with household byproducts such as market waste, kitchen waste, and manure from livestock. The methane gas produced by the bacteria inside the biogas system may be used for cooking, lighting, and other energy needs. Waste that has been fully digested exits the biogas system in the form of organic fertilizer.
We do a type of cheese that has been increased from 1 to now and between 9 to 11 variety of cheese we produce. And the cows and goats, we are maintaining ourselves with our own grass and farm. And what fuel we using for heating up the milk and making cheese, it's originally we start with the kerosene. After we have started the biogas. Since the biogas we use, we have it's quite economic. CSR produced this biogas plant. We bought one plant in the beginning for experiment. We tried. We were very happy, satisfied. We had a good amount of gas produced. We have started with one plant in the beginning while developing, and it's convenient. We have developed till 4 now. And with this gas we use maximum of our we extract the maximum gas for our cheese production. Leftover we use the other alternative fuel. And with this biogas it's really economic and it's pollution free. It is easy to handle it, and whoever has a single one in the house, it could be used for the whole family. There's no question of short of gas or strike or lorry and things like that. Since we use, we are very happy about it. Till now we are using, and the waste slurry after the gas produced, the slurry has been mixed with our compost and go back to the field. So this is we circle the gas production.